Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to sign up for the Fliki AI affiliate program. So right here guys, Fliki helps users to create videos from text with lifelike AI voices. Now you have more reasons to love Fliki. Just refer your friends and followers and customers and earn 30% in recurring commissions for a lifetime. So your rewards for referring new customers, you get 30% recurring commissions for a lifetime for each referred customer. So each person you refer to Fliki, you get 30% recurring commissions right there, and you can easily get up to $1,000 right here. In addition to commission, that is, if you refer 25 paying users for either standard or premium plan, you get a one-off bonus of $250. If you refer 50 paying users, which is standard or premium plan, and get a one-off bonus, you get $500. And if you refer 100 paying users to their standard or premium plan right there, you get a one-off bonus of $1,000. So you can easily start making money with Fliki right here. And the Fliki affiliate program is free to join and does not require any subscription or paid account. You can sign up by clicking on the link below. You get a unique link to share it with your audience. The referral attribution time or cookie period is about 30 days. And if you need additional discount codes for your users, so you can please reach out to the support system. And the minimum payout is $20. Payments are made every 1 month and payments are made via Wise. So you want to simply make use of TransferWise right there. Bonus payments are made in addition to the commission. One-off bonus includes the bonus amounts paid before. Affiliates cannot run ad or promo discount sites. This will lead to the suspension of your account, and you want to simply read the terms and services before signing up. So guys, you want to easily just join the program right there. So right here guys, on affiliate.fliki.ai, sign up. So as you can see, you can join your friends of Fliki and earn 30% commission. So you want to simply put in your first name here, last name, your email address, your password, minimum of 8 characters. Then you confirm your password, and you want to simply turn on this recaptcha saying you are not a robot, and you can easily sign up for the Fliki affiliate program. So guys, simply try out this if you want to simply earn cool cash online by simply referring customers to Fliki.